Happy Sunday. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. Did the lifted van meet inspire you to get more mods for your van? I know it inspired Sebastian. He wants a high roof now. So he sent me this link. This is what he's going with. Wasatch Overland. Javi Wasabi wants a high roof too. So I was watching this compilation he sent me. I saw this van right here and I said, I've seen this van before. Check it out, Small World. Lifted van sighting. The owner's gonna come out right now and say, what are you doing to my van? I just like it. If he comes out, I'll say, I like it, man. I know what it is right away. That's a RTZ spacer lift. Nice van. RTZ spacer lift. Spotted it right away. I know my van's too much. It's kind of obsessive, huh? I have two friends who are vendors in this industry. Larry from Action Van Suspension and Ryan. He sells light bars. And he sells ladders. I'll link them in the comment section below. Here's the address to the next lifted van meet. Meetup time is going to be March 1st. That's a Saturday at noon. A couple of you are going to drive the day of the meet, and this spot is within 2 to 4 hours from most of my friends. This meet is a potential opportunity economy for my friends in the industry and to my friends who are content creators on YouTube and Instagram. I was raised in a middle-class family and I like Doritos nacho cheese. My van is a DIY build and I like to see other people's DIY builds. You could play with all your cool gear at these meets. My girlfriend wanted one of these, and this is really cool. Check this out. It's like a Jetboil knockoff. Fits in this cute little bag. I like it a lot. Can't wait to go camping again so I could use this thing. I'll do a demo. I'll do a review on it. I love small businesses and content creators. If you can use this meet to grow your Instagram account or your YouTube channel, by all means. I'm no gatekeeper. Use these meets to grow your brand. So the whole thing with YouTube is you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to get monetized. Use these meets to get closer to that level of getting monetized. I'm a small content creator. And this is what a small content creator's month of November looks like. So this was the month of the lifted van meet. Almost 63,000 views, 1,600 watch hours, plus 181 subscribers, $241. So whatever I make on this channel, I just use it for road trip money. My goal for 2025 is to go on at least one camping trip a month and really highlight what these vans could do. So that's always been my goal. The lifted van meet, that was always my vision of what I wanted the lifted van meets to become. I'm on an island by myself. I'm surprised there are not more people talking about lifted vans the way I do. I always said I'm as fanatical about my lifted van as Tacoma and Wrangler drivers are about their rigs. There's just not as many of us. So I would like to see other lifted van channels like myself, like my channel, pop up in 2025. So use the lifted van meet to start up your channel or to grow your channel, man. I'm cool with that. I want to see my friends succeed. I mean, look at me, man. I'm filming in a parking lot. Most of my videos I'm filming in a parking lot. Lyndon knows where this is. And somehow I got monetized. I feel very blessed that I got monetized on YouTube, all this competition on YouTube, and somehow I was able to get monetized. So if I could do it, you could do it. Pretty sure you guys are way more talented than me in filmography, videography. So there you go, guys. Potential opportunity economy for you guys. So yeah, hope you guys are having a great weekend. Lifted Van Meet, March 1 and 2. I believe there are 12 people who are going to show up already. If this next Lifted Van Meet in March hits 20 again, I think this is officially a thing. All right, everyone. Have a great week. All right, you guys are all about the vans, so here we go. This is what we have at this meet. This is Light Bar and Ladder Ryan. He has the Action Van suspension, ultimate lift, tube radius arms, and the Heim joint. Ladder and Light Bar Ryan. He's about to do a meet install right here. Check this out. Ryan ladder and light bar install at the meet.
What do you use for the notch here?
There you go, he's ready to roll now. Might need to duct tape that. That's Larry right there. And we got Slick Rick, another Action Van. Oh, it's all Action Vans right now. I got the Weltec in the back. Slick Rick. This is Larry's van from Action Van Suspension. The OG in the industry, hanging out with us. The cool thing about Larry is he could get his company to build him a 12-inch lifted 4x4 conversion, and he's running a modest van build, no sick add-ons, just a light bar there. He's running a limited slip, bowl for moto. There you go, Action Van suspension with Fox 2.0s. You look at the inside, very simple, nothing extravagant. It's like he's one of us. So really cool he came out here. Also answering some questions here for people wanting a lift kit. And there he is right there. Say hi, Larry. Hey, what's up? And there's Moto.
You guys are having so much fun at this lifted van meetup. This is a blast. All right, well, we all made it in one piece. Thank goodness. We are at the destination. Everybody's kind of setting up camp. There's a whole line of us here, so it's a pretty cool drive in here, I have to say.